Walk that trend, get it. 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 Walk that trend, get it.
I'ma make these suckers recognize I ain't playing, ho. If you violate off the top trick, you gotta go. I done held in a lot of shit, and I'm about to flip. Now I think it's time to show you bitches who you fucking with. DJ, that's the name, and I came to bring the pain. Anna on my chest, got me busting at you lemon lanes. Yeah, ain't know, you fucking with a street nigga. From the gutter pimp type / drug dealer. Born and raised in that Memphis, Tennessee. Before it's said and done, you bitches gon' remember me. This only the beginning, I got a lot to say. It's been a long time, and you got hell to pay. Ain't no love, ho, just bring it to the door. I bar none, let my nuts hang to the floor. So if you want some, this is your death wish. Better come correct, because I came to break you off, trick.
Walk that trend, get it. 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 Walk that.
You think I won't beat that trick, whoop that trick? Got me acting buck and shit. Hoes telling me to calm down, but I'm like, fuck that shit. I'm already on that hypnotic and that Grey Goose. A couple of shots of him that just gave me another boost. I'm feeling electrified. You can see it in my eyes. Shirt soaking wet, looking like I just got baptized. Slopping drunk like a wino at a liquor store. A crunk like some sanctified folks catching the Holy Ghost. I don't think you understand. This one right here might get banned. Setting off a riot like we living in Afghanistan. But this a dirty, and that's the way it goes. Security be the main ones acting like some hoes. But you done fucked up, you better call it off. I'ma break this Moet bottle across your fucking jaw. And that's for anyone that ever disrespected thee. Watch your back, boy, cause you bout to get your ass beat.
Walk that trend, get it. 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 Walk that trend.
I came to bust a nigga head, leave him bloody red, fighting for his life as they rush him to the med. This what happens when you get caught up in the mix. All that jaw jacking got your ass in a bunch of shit. This that Memphis drama, boy, you know we came to get bucked. I thought you came deep, nigga, where your back up. Your clique, they some cowards, they scattered out like roaches. That bottle across your head got you leaking, losing focus. See, this is what we mean when we shut down the club. Niggas start against the walking, then we tear the bitch up. We some straight hood niggas from the ghetto and the project. Duck the police, cause we know we the suspects. Make you wonder what's next, bitch. Guard your grill. If they play this in the club, you get your ass beat for real. My advice would be to chill. M-Town, nigga sick. Get caught without a warning and get your ass whooped quick, bitch.
Walk that trend.